Electrical current and electrical circuits. Electrical current. Electrical current is the flow of electrical charge. It transmits energy, called electricity. Electrical current flows differently. Conductors. Electric current flows easily through conductors. Insulators. Electrical current does not flow easily through insulator. Glass, rubber, plastic, wood. Electric circuits. An electric circuit consists of different components connected to each other to allow the flow of an electrical current. Generator, which is the source of electricity. Battery, electrical component, a light bulb of a motor. Conductive wire, switch, to control the flow of electrical current. This is my Popplet. Bye bye!